Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change email on the Snapchat because sometimes we need to change our Gmail on the Snapchat. So in this video, I will show you how you can easily do this. So before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Snapchat and then you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it and then you will see setting options. Click on it and then you will see email. Click on it and then right here another email which you want to select and then click on save options. So then click on save options and you will see a verification email. Then go to your email and then click on confirm email. So when you will click on email confirm, so in this way you can see email address verified. So in this way you can change your email on the Snapchat. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.